All right, guys, I'm back. Are you ready? All right. Let's see if I'm ready. All right. So we're going to talk about in this lesson how to automate the connection building process with your audience without losing a personal touch. Okay. This is all about how to connect with all these people that have just entered into your giveaway, and allows you to build that brand and basically keep the personal touch and keep everything flowing with inside of your company, building a brand around you and around your company. And basically, like I said, allowing that automation process to be automated. All right. So first thing we're going to do is go to MiniChat. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and be upfront with you. MiniChat costs $10. Okay. If $10 is too much for you, I'm extremely, extremely sorry. Okay. But this is the main ingredient to the entire giveaway process. This is the main thing that's going to really connect and really get you the results you're looking for. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to create a MiniChat account. You can just sign in, and then what you'll do is you'll add a new account. Once you add that a new account, you'll name it. So we're going to say BCJ's Coffee. All right, create account. All right, yes, this account will be used for an actual business, e-commerce, physical goods, Shopify. Yes, I'm setting this up for a client. Actually, his is WooCommerce. Excuse me. So whatever you're in, whatever business you're in, it's going to have a different thing for you. So if you don't find whatever you're in here, just do the other, and it'll get you set up. But then we'll hit continue right here. And then the first thing we're going to do is want to connect our Facebook page, okay? Because that's the whole point of this, is having your Facebook page connected. All right. So let's see if we can find BCJ. This is just some of like probably a quarter of the people that we work with. It's a never-ending list. But anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build what we call a flow. So you got your dashboard, your audience, your live chat, different things right here. But I'm going to stick to the basics, okay? Later on in the course, we'll actually go over a ton of in-depth things about MiniChat, tons and tons of ways that you can do all kinds of stuff. You can literally make it an artificial intelligence bot, so many things. But right now, we are going to stick to the basics, okay? You only need a few things inside of this bot, okay? So the first thing you need to do is go to flows. We're going to hit this button right here, create new flow. We're going to name it giveaway. Boom. All right. So the whole point of this giveaway is so that you can collect data, so that you can get a ton of subscribers and to get a ton of emails and basically build an entire audience around your business from scratch, okay? So we like to start this first message by grabbing the end user, the person entering the giveaway's email, okay? So what we do is you see this little thing right here. It says user input, okay? Click user input. And now what we like to do is do congrats. And if you hit that little button twice, it'll pull their first name, okay? Congrats, Corey. We just need to grab your email to complete the giveaway process. Please tap the email below or simply type the best email for you. Okay, boom. Super simple, super easy. We're going to add some emojis, you know, because I love emojis. It builds that connection with people. So now we've got this, and we'll go ahead and put an arrow pointing down, telling them exactly where it's at, where the email will be, and where they need to put it. And so then you'll go right here where it says edit user input, okay? We'll do email. We'll create a new custom field. We'll say email giveaway. Okay. Now you've got that custom field right here. We'll save that. So if somebody comes in here and they try to type their email and it doesn't, and they type the wrong thing, or they say, here is my email or something, they specifically have to only enter their email. Okay. So this is the message that they will receive if they type it in wrong. So we like to change this a little bit. Please type only your email. Our system needs to grab this to complete the process. And then I'll put example me at mail.com. Okay. So that they know that they only have to put in just their email. Please type only your, I'm gonna put this in cap locks, only your email. Our system needs to grab this to complete the process. Okay. So boom, you're good to go on that. All right. So what we will do is we'll go ahead and build the next message. So as soon as they put their email in, this is where we build the connection. Okay. This is where, like I said, the connection building process here, it allows you to put a personal message from you. Okay. And we use this right here. It's called a time delay. So you know how whenever you're in Messenger or whenever you're in iPhones or anything like that, and you're typing, it shows the 3 little bubbles. But when you put this right here, it shows the 3 little bubbles actually looks like somebody's typing. Okay. And then, so right here we like to do awesome, Corey. And then I always put friend right here just as a fallback. Awesome, Corey. Thanks for entering our giveaway to win. Then we'll go back right here. I had to change up some of the verbiage on what we were giving away to match exactly what he wanted to give away. So thanks for entering our giveaway to win blank 6 bags of BCJ's coffee, blah, blah. Boom. Throw you a nice little emoji right there. Put a smile. All right. And then we'll put a space. Winners will be announced on, what was the date that we decided on? On November 27th. All right. At Blue Collar Joe's, Blue Collar Joe Coffee Co. We strive to bring you the coffee you deserve for a price you can afford. Boom. If you are in need of, let's say, yeah, if you are in need of anything, comma, please feel free to send us a message and we will help you as best as possible. If you would like to check out our website or our products, let's say our coffee, please, let's say, comma, our coffee, comma, please feel free to tap the button below. Thanks. Blue Collar Joe. coffee. Cool. All right. So now you've built rapport with these people. Now you've made a connection, and you know, as me, I'm going to always go back and add a bunch of emojis because people love emojis. Let's see, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna add some coffee emojis. Boom. We'll add an arrow pointing down. All right, and then what we'll do right here is we'll hit add button. Put visit website. And you can put this open website. And if you don't have a website or anything like that, you can do multiple of other things. You can hit call now. You can put a phone number. You can send another message. You can do several other things. I'm not going to go in depth on that. Like I said, we'll do that in a later module. We're just trying to get all this set up right now. So we'll hit open website. I'm going to pull his website up. Blue Collar Joe website. Computer's being slow. All right, we'll then copy and paste that right here. Boom. All right. So congrats, Corey. We just need to grab your email to complete the giveaway process. Please tap the email below or simply type the best email for you. Awesome, Corey. Thanks for entering our giveaway to win 6 bags of BCJ's coffee, Airscape canister, 30 BCJ K-Cups, BCJ tumbler, and a Chefman grind and brew. Winners will be announced on November 27th. At Blue Collar Joe, we strive to bring you the coffee you deserve for a price you can afford. If you are in need of anything, please feel free to send us a message and we will help you as best as possible. If you'd like to check out our coffee, please feel free to tap the button below and go to our website. Boom. All right, now they feel like they've gotten a personalized message straight from you, okay? Even though it's automated, we still have made that connection. We still have given them the ability of saying, hey, Blue Collar Joe's actually talking to them. You've made that connection, okay? This is awesome. But what I'm going to go ahead and show you right now is you need to click this button right here, and we'll go to actions. Actions are going to make sure that we subscribe them to our messenger bot, okay? Because the whole point of this is to build a ton of subscribers, okay? So we're going to hit, let's see, subscribe to bot, okay? Then we'll move the start button right here and push them right there, okay? Boom. All right. Now we're good to go. We'll hit publish. It's going to say upgrade to pro. You got to pay $10. Like I said, sorry if this is going to kill you, but it's 100% worth it. I promise you, you'll make your $10 back quick, okay? Now that we're upgraded, okay, good to go. We're going to publish this. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into this section right here called automation. This main menu right here says unsubscribe. We'll go ahead and disable that. We'll set up our default reply. This will be sent to anyone that says something that your bot doesn't understand. So we like to, I'll set this up for you, show you how to do it. If it'll work. My computer's being slow. There we go. All right. We'll go Corey, a friend. Thanks for thinking of Blue Collar Joe. We will be back with you as soon as possible. If you are interested in checking out our coffee, then you can simply tap the button below and you will be taken to our website. Just like you did last time, view website, boom, open website, grab this URL real quick. You do not need a website for this, okay? You do not have to have a website for this at all right? You can literally put your phone number or anything of that nature, okay? You can say, hey, I want them to call me if they need some help. You don't have to put your website right here. If you're in business, you definitely need a website, okay? Or what we'll show you later on is a funnel. We'll have a whole module on how to build a funnel, what a funnel is, funnel strategies, all kind of great stuff, okay? Go back, add some emojis. You know, you want to be happy. Blue collar Joe, coffee, woo! Boom, boom. All right. We'll be back with you as soon as possible. If you're interested in anything, tap the button below. Boom. It'll send them this message. And then you have the ability to go in and send them a message after this and talk to them about everything. Thanks for thinking of Blue Collar Joe. We'll be back with you as soon as possible. If you're interested in checking out our website or our coffee, then you can simply tap the button below and you will be taken to our website, okay? Publish, boom, good to go. Then we'll go to our welcome message. We'll set up the welcome message basically exactly like we just set that up. So the welcome message is if somebody goes to your page and they're on your Facebook page and you know how it's got the button at the top that says send message. You can click send message. This will be the first message they receive, okay? So, hey, friend, thanks for thinking of page name, Blue Collar Joe. If you are interested in checking out our coffee, simply tap the button below and you will be taken to our website. If you need any further assistance, we will be back with you as soon as possible. Boom. View website. Go ahead and copy and paste that again. And you don't have to set all this up, but if you're going to be doing this, you're going to have a bunch of people get involved with your company quick. So you want to have all the necessary steps implemented and ready to go, okay? So we'll throw an emoji right there. We'll throw some emojis right here of boom, boom. Throw an arrow right here, pointing down. Boom. All right. So now let's go back over what we just did. All right. We'll hit publish. Good to go. So we came into our thing. We set up our Facebook. We connected our Facebook. Then we went to our flows. We built our giveaway flow. I don't know why it's saying there's a yellow thing right there. Publish. Content published. We built our giveaway flow. Then we built our welcome message. And we built our default reply. Okay, that's all you need for right now. All right, and then what we're going to do, well, that's not all you need for right now. What we're going to go do right here, we're going to go back to automation, keywords. Okay, new keyword. Depending on what your industry is or whatever word you kind of want to work right here. So we're going to say his trigger word for giveaway is going to be coffee. So we'll put coffee. But you need to put it in a bunch of different ways so that the bot triggers it, okay? All right. So now you can sit here and add as many of these as you want. We always normally add a couple different ones just so if somebody says it a little bit different, it still triggers it, okay? You'll hit create keyword, select existing, and then select that giveaway, okay? Boom. Now we are going to test this bot. All right, you ready? We go to Facebook. Blue Collar Joe. Coffee code. Got a pretty rhyming name. All right, we'll come in here. Oh, he's got shop now button. So you can change this out. If some people do put the giveaway right, or so we'll go right here. We'll see, we'll create a new message and we'll send it to Blue Collar Joe coffee code. Boom. All right, and what was our trigger word? Coffee. So we'll type coffee, enter. Boom. Okay, so we'll say congrats, Corey. We just need to grab your email to complete the giveaway process. Please tap the email below or simply type the best email for you. And as you can see, MiniChat is actually going to pull the email that the user registered to Facebook with, okay? They'll click that, then it'll start typing, then it'll send them this message. Awesome, Corey, thanks for entering our giveaway to win 6 bags, blah, blah, blah. We've already read all this. And boom, you've got a message, you've got everything to go. You can click view website. It'll take you straight to the website. And now you've built a connection with that person. Now I'm subscribed to his bot, okay? The best part about being subscribed to the bot is the ability to reach back out to these people, okay? So we want to get a ton of people in here, and then we want to reach back out to them. We're going to go over that more in the next video of reaching back out, and you'll probably see that once we get through with running this giveaway. I'll probably add that to the end of the video for the end of this video. So all right, now the next step in this is we want to collect that data. What is an email and what is a person's information if you can't collect it, if you can't store it? So we have to store it somewhere, okay? So we're going to go up here and we're going to go to Google Sheets. Google Sheets is completely for free. So all you have to do is go in there, sign in, hit blank, and we will create a Google Sheet here. All right. BCJ's coffee. All right. So what we're going to want to store is their Facebook ID, their first name, their last name, and their email address, okay? So all the data that we're collecting from them. So we're going to type in this top, we're going to say ID, we're going to say first name, last name, email. Now you're probably thinking, well, Corey, how in the world do I get all that information over there? I'm going to have to manually put it in there and it's going to be terrible. Yep, well, guess what? This is all about automation. So I'm about to give you the greatest tool the internet has ever built, called Zapier, or Zapier, or I call it Zapier because I'm building zaps. All right. You can get a free account with Zapier. So don't worry, you can go get the free account and it's not going to cost you anything. But I have the paid account. I'm not going to go build an account. You should be able to figure out how to log into Zapier. Once you're logged in, this is the menu you'll see. So you'll click right here and make a zap, okay? So what we want to do, the first thing, is we want to go to MiniChat. When this happens, when MiniChat happens, we'll select trigger an event. Okay, so what did we do? We created a custom field for email giveaway, okay? So every time that custom field is updated, every time someone puts their email in, we want to trigger this Zap, okay? So we'll do MiniChat, then we'll trigger new or updated custom field. Hit continue. We'll select a MiniChat chat account. Connect. It's being slow. Come on, come on, come on. Boom. All right. Continue. Now we will select what field we want. Email giveaway. So every time somebody puts their email in, it's going to trigger this Zap. Okay. Now you're probably sitting here going, what is a Zap? What is the point of this? I'm about to show you. Okay. We'll hit test and continue. It's going to find the data. It's going to pull, I'll show you right here. Since I just put my information in, it's going to give us an example. I'm the example. Here's my email, first name, ID, and all the information that is needed. We'll hit done editing. Now, when this newer updated custom field happens in MiniChat, what do we want to do? We want to put that information in the Google Sheet, okay? So we'll say create spreadsheet row. Now, if you come in here and you find Zapier and you're like, this is awesome, Zapier automates everything, okay? You can literally automate everything that you could have ever imagined. Any type of logic that you could come up with inside of your brain, you can automate it, okay? But I don't want to dive deep in there. What I'll do is I'll make a module later on in the course that goes deep dives into Zapier, the different things that you can automate inside of your life with Zapier, okay? I feel like that'll be a really good module, and I imagine you guys will like that because about half of our business is automated through Zapier, which is huge, okay? So we're going to hit continue right here. Now we're going to select what account. This is my email. This will be my account. We'll select what spreadsheet. We just created that new spreadsheet, Blue Collar Joe's Coffee. We'll click that. We'll select which worksheet, this is your spreadsheet name. This is your worksheet name, okay? We'll click this button right here, the add button, and we'll select the user ID. Okay, so that'll be our first field. It'll say user ID. Second field, first name. So I'll select the first name. Second one, I'll select last name, so Smith. And then we'll come right here and we'll figure out what the, let's see, where's it at? I scroll past it. Users custom field email giveaway. There's my email. So we'll put that right there. We'll hit continue. And we'll hit test and continue. It's going to send that data. We're going to go right here and boom. Guess what? It's automatically stored that information for us inside of this Google Sheet, okay? Now, so every single time someone enters in your giveaway, someone comes into your messenger bot, they put their email in and everything is going to be stored in this sheet, okay, which is huge. We'll show you later on in the course how to take all of this data and create audiences inside of Facebook and create how you can really target and define your audiences by using this data, okay? This, your email list, your subscriber list. Those are the most powerful tools you could ever imagine inside of your business, okay? And they are the biggest asset you could ever imagine, okay? I talked about how when you spend money on billboards or radio advertisement or things of that nature, you're not building an asset, okay? But when you spend money and you do stuff like this, you're building an asset for your company. So just imagine, let's put it in perspective like this. Say you get to the point where you have 5,000 people on your list, okay? Well, one day you're having a real bad day, you're down on sales, and you don't know what to do. Well, guess what? You have 5,000 people that you can send a message to or send an email to and say, hey, we're having this type of sale. We've got this type of product. Would you like to buy it? Okay, so just imagine 1% or 10% buy. Well, then you just made a bunch of sales off of clicking one button. This entire model, this entire everything is based off the idea of building an asset, building a list, because we want the ability to send a message to a ton of people and build that connection, and be able to sell them every single time. We have multiple clients that we have another coffee shop that actually doesn't sell online, but they sell in a local area. And what we've done, we've built a coupon process that allows them to send out coupons once a month to their subscribers. They have almost 4,000 subscribers. Every month, we'll send a message out to them, and they'll make anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 off their subscribers, all by clicking one button. Okay, they've built this list up. They don't have to pay for the list anymore. They don't have to do anything. They literally just click a button, send the message out, and now they have a ton of people coming in and redeeming that coupon once a month. Okay, it is huge. It's the best way to do these things. Okay. So now we've got, let's see where I'm at. We built our giveaway flow. We built the welcome message. We built our default reply. We built the Google Sheet. We built the Zap. And now the last little piece to the bot, we'll go back to our MiniChat, and we'll create what we call a growth tool. Okay, a growth tool is huge because this is what's going to get the end consumer, the person entering in the giveaway, into your message flow, into your bot, so that you can grab their email and you can get them subscribed. Okay, so we'll go to growth tools right here. We'll hit create new growth tool. You see this little thing right here called Facebook comments. You do click that, and now this isn't going to work until we post the giveaway. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and fill out this section right here. We're going to say, hey first name, hey Corey, or hey, let's fall back, hey friend, please type the word coffee below. So when they type the word coffee, it's then going to trigger our flow that we built a while ago. It's going to grab their email. Okay, it's going to subscribe them to the bot. So the whole point of this is, or the whole thing of this is, every single time somebody comments or mentions their two friends in the post, on the post, it's going to immediately send them a message. Then it's going to say, please type the word coffee below. Then it's going to grab their email, and then it's going to send them your introduction message and tell them a little bit how you strive to deliver the best coffee to them for a reasonable price, or whatever your industry is, or whatever you're doing with this. This is going to build that connection. Okay, this is going to allow, every time somebody comments on your post, no matter how many times it's shared or anything like that, they're gonna come back and it's gonna send them this message. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our ads manager or our Facebook page, like I showed you earlier. I don't know if we're still in there. What's that? Blue collar guy. Okay. So now we're here. We're back in here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to confirm this. Okay. Just going to pull up my PayPal. Blur this out. So I haven't set up the PayPal account yet. Well, I'm gonna have to blur it out. You can't see nothing. All right. So we're good to go. We're logging in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to blur it out. Just ignore 1 second. Once you've set up your payment method, things are about to get real. You guys ready? All right. So now that we've confirmed this, we want to go to, you can do this in your regular Facebook and everything, but we go to page post. Okay, go to page post. My internet's so slow. Terrible. We'll go to Blue Collar Joe Coffee. All right, so here is the post. Here is your giveaway, okay? We're ready to go. Now we need to put it on your page, okay? So what we do is we will go actions and we'll publish it, okay? And if you're not doing this inside of Business Manager and you're just doing it in your Facebook page, all you have to do is hit post, okay? This is where it comes to, you got to be fast, okay? So you got to have your ManyChat already pulled up. So you'll hit publish. As soon as you hit publish, you'll go right back to growth tools. You'll select the post. There's your post. We'll go ahead and next, save and activate. Boom. Now it's activated. Now it's good to go, okay? Then what we'll do is we'll test it. We need to test it. So Blue Collar Joe, go to his page. Need to test and make sure it works properly, okay? Everything's gonna go. If it doesn't work properly, then it's a fluke, okay? We messed up. Okay, so I'm gonna go we'll tag old Don Williams and @Sarah Williams. All right, and we'll boom. Then we should receive a message. Boom. Okay. Test it again. Boom. Grab my email. Subscribe me to the bot. Built my connection message. And guess what? Stored me in the Google Sheet. Well, nope, it didn't. Okay, because I didn't turn the Zap on. Make sure you turn the Zap on. All right. Don't mess up like I just did. Lesson learned. Turn the Zap on, okay? Make sure that you turn it on. All right? So now everything's working good. We've built our growth tool. So now we're going to recap, okay? We've built our mini chatbot, and we're going to have links to all of this inside of the members area, inside of in this first module, so that you can go in there and you can check these things out. We'll have a link so that you can go to, we'll have like a resource file, I guess, to make sure that you can go in and add all of these things. But we went in, we created our mini chat bot. We built the giveaway flow, Then we built our welcome message. Then we built our default reply, okay? So you got your welcome message, your default reply, and your giveaway. Next, we go and we build the Google Sheet, okay? Next, we go and build the Zap. And this, we're gonna have the pause and unpause button in here and everything like that so that you can pause this, unpause it, whatever you need to do so that you can make sure that you're getting all of this, okay? Now we built the Zap. Then the next thing we did was we built our growth tool, Then we published the post to the page, and then we connected and tested and made sure everything worked properly. Now for you guys that do not have Ads Manager, I'm going to show you real quick how to do the targeting and stuff for the giveaway without doing without the Ads Manager. So right here, you'll be able to boost the post. A lot of times we say don't boost post because it's not great. We'll edit who we're targeting. Let's say we're going to target people in just Georgia or the entire United States, whatever you're wanting to do. We were deciding on women from 24 to 54 that are interested in coffee. Boom, suggestions, and just go through, select some of them. Now you've got a good audience. Now you can hit save. Just like we did, we'll set the daily budget. We'll hit select whatever account you're on, and then you will be able to just boost it, okay? And that's how you do it without Ads Manager. Like I said, we go over in the next module or one of the modules later. We really deep dive into Facebook and go into the Business Manager and into Ads Manager and how you use those platforms, okay? We're going to cancel that ad. And then I believe we're good to go on this video. So the next video is the main, like, real good thing to do, okay? It'll bring back the why we joined all those Facebook groups, all right? So until then, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next lesson.